You might be having a lot of issues in life. Maybe your family, your friends, maybe your maths, physics, chemistry, biology, computer science, or your sport, anything in life. Your teachers, your parents, you might be having tons of issues which are unsolvable. But what do you actually do in this case? I'm going to be telling you all the approach towards solving this problem. I cannot derive with a solution because these problems you have to figure out by yourselves. But I'm here to help you with an approach how to solve all of these unsolvable issues. Now actually let's see, this is going to be something really interesting. So we call this a really interesting method. We call this the LBD method. What's the LBD method? LBD is basically little bits of details. That's why you call it. Maybe even if you have a big elephant in front of you. All of the mock interviews they ask, how do you eat a big elephant? That's a trick question. And what you're going to be answering is that I eat a big elephant by breaking it down into bits of pieces. We also call this the method grouping while studying. If you're going to be studying 3 topics, you're going to be studying a bit of A, a bit of B, and a bit of C. Then you're going to be taking a break. Then a bit of A, a bit of B, and a bit of C. Then another break, a bit of B, A, C. That's all. And you are going to be finishing the 3 chapters very easily. All these 3 chapters might be really hard for you in your usual times. But when you actually start studying like this, it's going to be really helpful for you. So this is what we call as the little bits of details. Anything, any big, any unsolvable issue in your life, you might be having those. But how do you actually solve them? It's by breaking them into little bits, just little bits of details, and that's going to be helping you drastically in your life. But when you actually solve it, you just break it into smaller issues, so it doesn't actually reduce the struggle for the problem, isn't it? But you actually get the drive and the motivation when you just do first 2 parts of the big issue. When you just solve the first 2 parts of the big issue, then it's going to be giving you a drive, a sense of motivation from inside. That's going to be leading you to finish the problem. Maybe there'll be maths, science. If you do the first 4 or 5 steps properly, then you can actually continue with it. A big maths problem, just break it down. Even if you see a question in science, just break it down. What does the first line say? What does the second line say? What does the third line say? And start answering. I think I got you the approach towards your problems. So if you start approaching your problems like this way, in this manner, it's going to be helping you a lot in your future. So without any further ado, let's end this video because I gotta go to school. Bye. See you later. It's me Ashwan signing off. Peace out.